Hi, Lucas Zelezny here again, and now I wanted to talk very quickly about keywords and a website with established history. So sometimes you're starting working on a new website with new client, with a new company that you joined, and there is always this question where to take keywords from. My personal approach is that you should choose keyword as a benchmark. And how to do this? The best way is to go into pages and start choosing 5 to 10 best performing or best promising keywords per page. Don't go with set of 1000 keywords where 500 is triggering homepage. That makes no sense. So we have here, this is a SEO WordPress.pl, Polish website, but doesn't matter. Here is WordPress shortcodes. I can go here. I can go here with last 12 months, maybe 6 sometimes, depends. I can also narrow this to Poland if I really want to have this accurately. And I'm going to queries and take a look. That's the best performing 10 queries that I could export, or I have here a plugin which is called copy table, and I can copy this like that, and voila, I have part of my benchmark done. If I really want, I can also go and try to sort by impressions. Later I can deduplicate this, and once this is done, I'm going into another URL. So I'm going into pages, and let's say I'm going into shortcuts, yeah, queries, and I know that these queries are the best performing, and so on, and so on, and so on, and process repeats. More of these clusters of up to 10 keywords per URLs you have, then it's better, and then you can take them and load into Rank Ranger and start tracking. You can tag them. Let's say each set will have different tag, and thanks to that you have a fantastic benchmark that is telling you how the website is performing. I just wanted to show you that Rank Ranger actually is giving you a lot of opportunity to link your existing tools. One of the tools you probably are using at the moment in your daily basis, SEO Kung Fu, is Webmaster Tools, aka Search Console. So this is where I added SEO WordPress.pl, the same website I was talking before, and now I have here view reports, and this is a really cool feature because whatever you will find here in this report, you can easily add to the tracking. So for example, we can say that we want to sort this by clicks. We want to expand the data, the range of data to 1 year, or maybe not from the beginning of the year. And after a moment, I have this refreshed, and I know that shortcode WordPress shortcode that are the most traffic delivering to keywords. Position is 1.6, 2.5, so it's probably something I should work a little. Add keyword. Here are some other keywords: WCAG, WordPress WCAG, WordPress forum, and so on and so on. Robot.txt no index, very interesting keyword, and so on and so on. So everything that you will find interesting that should be tracked, and maybe you cannot find anywhere else except of the Search Console right now, automatically or even automagically, you can add into Rank Ranger. So I added a couple of keywords, and maybe this one, short code, and yeah, and now I can go back to campaigns, and I can open SEO WordPress.pl, and I can see that is at the moment gathering data, and you can see that these keywords that I added through from the Search Console, and they were already added here into the project, and you can see this here. So that was me, Lukasz Zalezny, SEO.London, and you stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye.